Question numbers 8th class exercise 1.2. Here first bit represent on the number line. First bit is represent on the number line. The first question is 9 by 7. It is improper fraction. Change into mixed fraction. That is 9 is divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 2. So it is write as 1 and 2 by 7. So 9 by 7 it is lies between 1 and 2. The line segment between between 1 and 2 divide into 7 equal parts. Second part from 1. Second part from 1 represents 9 by 7. It denotes or represents 9 by 7. Okay, now this is the number line. On the number line 1 and 2. 1 and 2 between the line segment or the line divided into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts. So first it is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7. After 7 by 7 means 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now 1 and 2 by 7, that is 1 plus 2 by 7. 1 plus 2 by 7. This is represent 9 by 7. Locate on the number line. Okay, now minus 7 by 5. For suppose second one, minus 7 by 5. That is right as 5 ones are 5 and 2 by 5. That is right as minus 1 minus 2 by 5. Minus 1 minus 2 by 5. It is lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Here it is minus 1 and here it is minus 2. It is lies between minus 1 and minus 2. That line segment divided into 5 equal parts. Here 5. The line segment between minus 1 and minus 2 divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 equal parts. That parts we have to count from minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Now minus 1 and 2 by 5. So here minus 1 and 2 by 5. This is the minus 1 and minus 2 by 5. So it is minus 7 by 5. So minus 7 by 5 represent on the number line. Minus 1 and minus 2. That is starting from minus 1 you should count. Second part is denote minus 7 by 5. This is the first bit. And second bit now. Second bit similarly 2 by 13. 5 by 13. And minus 9 by 13 represent on the number line. Similarly, we have to do the questions. Next, third question. Write any 5 rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6. Smaller than 5 by 6. That is 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6 and 0 by 6. These rational numbers. They are 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6 is all smaller than 5 by 6. This is third question from exercise 1.2. 1, 2, 3 questions. First question and second question represent on the number line. Now, fourth question, 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Here minus 1 is less than 2. Now we need 12 rational numbers. By our convenience, it should be multiplied with 10 by 10. Here 2 is also multiplied with 10 by 10. Now minus 10 by 10 is less than 20 by 10. Minus 10 by 10 less than minus 9 by 10 is less than minus 8 by 10 is less than minus 7 by 10 and so on. 19 by 10 less than 20 by 10. See once, minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10 and so on, 19 by 10. These all the rational numbers lies between minus 1 and 2. So take any 12, they are asking 12 rational numbers. Minus 9 by 10, minus 8 by 10, minus 7 by 10 and so on. 19 by 10 are lies between minus 1 and 2. Take any 12. Take any 12 from this. They lie on between minus 1 and 2. The lies between minus 1 and 2. So this is fourth question. Fifth question. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Fifth question. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. These two rational numbers not like fractions. When like fractions, the denominators are equal, they are like fractions. Now these two are not a like fractions. Make them equal denominators. So LCM of 3, 4 is 3 4s are 12. Now 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. 3 by 4 into 3 by 3. 2 4s are 8 by 12. 3 3s are 9 by 12. Now 8 by 12 after 9 by 12. We need one rational number. So in our procedure is into 10 by 10. Here 9 by 12 into 10 by 10. Here it is 80 by 120 is less than 90 by 120. Now 80 after. 80 by 120 is less than. 81 by 120 is less than. 82 by 120 is less than and so on. 89 by 120 is less than 90 by 120. So from here to here, take any one of those. They lies between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So this is fifth question. Next, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So first, the two make them equal to denominators, equal denominators. So LCM of 4, 6 is 12. Now minus 3 by 4 into 12 means 3 by 3. 5 by 6 into 2 by 2. Now 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Points observe. Here minus 9 by 12 is less than 10 by 12. So now write minus 9 by 12, minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12 and so on. 9 by 12 is less than 10 by 12. Check once. So minus 8 to 9 will get more than 10. So minus 8 by 12, minus 7 by 12, minus 6 by 12 and so on. 9 by 12 are lies between minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Take any 10 rational numbers. From this, that is answer. So this is exercise 1.2 from rational numbers. So first represent on the number line. Next, how to find rational numbers between any two numbers. Find rational numbers between two numbers.